For the next few problems, we're going to be practicing calculating different types of energy. And these straight calculations are not very complicated. We do them in physical science, but in later pages we're going to use them in a far more complicated way. So I felt like we needed to review how to do the math because I know some of you didn't take physical science, and I want to make sure that you understand this step before we add more steps. So our skateboarder has 355 joules of kinetic energy, and we're always going to abbreviate kinetic energy as KE. And he and the skateboarder have a mass of 95.1 kilograms. And what is the velocity? So our kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. So we have 355 joules, and if you prefer to rearrange before you plug into your equation, please feel free. Again, it's your problem. I don't care how you do the algebra. I know I don't usually show the algebra, but I want to show you just one extra step to make sure that you guys don't make this common math error. V squared is 7.466. I want to talk about units here because you're going to divide joules by kilogram, and that seems a little weird, and I want to make sure you understand what a joule is. So a joule is a newton times a meter. And remember that a newton is a kilogram times meters per second squared. So a joule is equal to this times meters. So we have kilograms times meters squared divided by seconds squared. So when we divide this joules by this kilogram, we're going to get meters squared per second squared. So when we do 355 divided by 1/2 times 95.1, we get that V squared is equal to 7.466 meters squared per second squared. Hopefully you see that this is not done, but we have to take the square root. Our units aren't even correct yet. So when we do the square root, and when we round to the correct number of 3 significant figures, we get 2.73 meters per second.